I'm Steve, and this is CC Garage. YouTube, and welcome back. Well, we're out here with the C10 and we got a couple packages. So we got some new headlights. It's our Mick tuning. They're pretty cool looking. So there's 4 modes. You got your turn signal, daytime running lights, low beam, high beam. I actually watched the video on these because these are a little bit more than I was wanting to pay, but after watching the video, I think I'm going to be happy with them. So I think they're going to look pretty good in the 67. So let's go ahead and swap these out. So first we're going to start by taking out these 4 screws. Next, there's a screw there, and a screw there, and a spring down here. So you take the 2 screws out and wiggle the headlight enough to get that spring off. So after you get your housing out, these little flathead screws, there's 3 of them on there. You gotta take those out so you can separate your housing. And since I got overspray on this, I'm actually gonna paint these black in the process. So tear that apart, clean them up, paint them. The back of this housing, I already know I'm gonna have to cut a bunch because the back of these are pretty big. So you can see side by side comparison that we are gonna have to make some trimming. So we'll be back. So for the bezels, since this has to be trimmed out, I figured tin snips were the easiest way. So I'll take a bite this way, and then I take them and go like that because with it having this bend up here, this doesn't want to come out. So this is the easiest way I'm finding. So I'll be back. This is how the ring looks after doing the trimming. Ran a Dremel tool over it to clean up the edges. So the lights look in their housings. They should look pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt them in. There it is. Headlight is all in. We just have to run these wires for daytime running light is red and turn signal is yellow. You guys have it, finished product and a shop helper. So let me go, we'll hit the turn signals real quick. And we'll pull our parking lights. I got them hooked up as daytime running lights. Kind of got a cool sequence, but they'll flash like 3 times, and then the outer ring gets really bright, as you can see. Definitely some pretty cool headlights. Got your low beams, I think. One or the other. I don't know if I got the switch hit, but pretty bright. So I think that's another video. So if you guys like this, if you guys want to see more of the C10, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.